Hi, good morning. Uh, you can see this is my one first device and this is my second device. So I have reported that my first device, this person is missing. So I have used this phone number, missing version phone number, and you can see I have this phone number. So I have already this account created. Missing person is registered with this phone number. So as this person moves from this location to this, and I have started the moving with this setting. So and I am tracking here. So live location track, you can see it's changing when it's moving. So I can see that location